Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this tutorial. And the previous tutorial we have seen how to get the data. Okay, so in this tutorial we will see how to post the data. Okay, so this was the route for the get, and I will also show you how to do for the post. Okay, so over here, if we go inside of the routes file of the post, there is this get request, right? So over here on the same place we can write a post request. So for that purpose I will say export async function, and I will give the name as a post over here, and it will have the request. It will take the request as a parameter, and then I'm having the try catch. I'll do one thing. I will copy this and paste it over here, and whatever that is not needed I will remove it. Okay, I want try catch, and I don't want this. Okay, so this is basically the simple code. The same post, I'm just cancelling log the error and returning the response. Just format this in a better way, just make it look good. Right now I'm just doing it for the sake of showing you all the example. You can return the proper error message and all those things that you can try it on your own. You can do it afterwards, but I won't be doing that. If you want to know how to do it, go and watch my other tutorials. I've already shown it. So what I will do now, this is a post request. So what I will do, I will be catching the data which I'll be getting from the payload. Okay, so I'll say constant body is equal to await request dot json. Okay, so what over here, what is happening over here, we will be catching the data which we will get from the body. Okay, and after that we have to post the data somewhere. Okay, and where we will be posting the data, we will be posting the data to the same url. Right now this I'm just using this for the sake of tutorial purpose, but you will be having an actual backend url where your data will be going. Okay, so over here I will come and I will paste this, and I will say await fetch. I'll be fetching this particular url, and I want to send a payload over here. Okay, so I will be sending the payload to this particular url. For that purpose I will declare the method, and I will declare the method as a post. This is the post method. I am sending some data. It will have the headers. Okay, so for header purpose, inside of the headers I will say content. I'll say content type, and when it comes to the content type, it's a application / json. Okay, and after that I'll be sending the body. So body over here have to be stringified before sending, so I'll say json.stringify, and whatever is the body that I have got over here, I'll be sending it inside of this json.stringify, and it will be going along with the body. Okay, and then I will be also copying this. If the response is not okay, then I will throw some error, isn't it? So what am I doing here? Let me just format this little bit. Yes, and now I will do one thing. I will catch the data that I am sending in the backend. Okay, so I'll say constant new post is equal to await response.json, and then I will again copy this. I'll come over here, and I'll say instead of the post fetch, its message will be post created successfully, and this won't be there, and data is there, and data is basically this particular data, new post that I have created. Okay, so I think everything is fine, and this is how the post API works. So I'll do one thing. So now when it comes to the fetch, this was the title, body and everything. Our payload will be something like this only. So I will do one thing. I will copy this, and this is the same route. Okay, so if you just come over here, it's forward slash API forward slash post, and this is the post request. So I will come over here and forward slash API forward slash post. Then instead of the get API, it will be post request. It is a post request. It will have the body, raw data will be raw, and it is of type JSON, and this is the format. Okay, so now when it comes to the data, we will have some user ID. We will have the ID, title, body, whatever that is, and I will say this is the ID 3 and this is the user number 10. This is the title, this is the body, and if I just hit enter, so it is saying post created successfully. This is the user ID, this is the ID of the post which I have sent. So it has given some different ID. This is the title, this is the body, everything. So this is how the post is created successfully. Okay, so basically this is the post API, guys. So this is how the get API works. So this is how we declare the function for the get. This is how we declare the function for the post. Okay, and take care of this error handling, please. Just write a proper error message and throw some proper error at the front end side so the user knows what is the error actually. Okay guys, so this is all about how to create a post request. Thanks for watching.